Hi, my name is Eddie Rango. I'm a third-year mechanical engineering major here at Cal State Long Beach. And for my sustainability showcase project, I decided to do an offshore wind turbine prototype completely made out of 3D printed parts. And the way I went about doing this project is that I researched different types of offshore wind turbines, I brainstormed my own design, I modeled it on SolidWorks, I printed it out, and then I put it together. And the reason why I chose to do an offshore wind turbine is because I've been seeing a lot of headlines lately on the news that the American government and the California government want to push for more offshore wind turbine technology, especially here on the California coast. This is important because we're expected to see more and more renewable energy sources in our overall energy sector over the upcoming years. However, there is one problem that I feel like not enough people talk about, and that is the fact that our current grid system is extremely outdated and was not designed to handle a whole bunch of different energy sources, just a handful throughout the country. Now, this is a problem because if we're going to be developing more energy sources throughout the years, we do not have the infrastructure to do so, and we're going to see a lot more power outages and natural disasters. So a possible solution for this major problem are microgrids, and they're essentially what they sound like. They are smaller, more localized grids that can run independently from the major grid through their own energy sources such as solar panels, wind turbines, nuclear power plants. This is important because this would take off a lot of strain from the main power grid, which would decrease the likelihood of disasters such as power outages, as we saw a couple months ago in Texas, can be really dangerous, and wildfires during the heat of the summer. The power lines lay lower to the ground, interacting more with trees and bushes, and since it's the heat of the summer, everyone's using their AC, and not only that, there's also an influx of energy from solar panels, so all this strain just compounds and compounds, and the likelihood of a spark that eventually causes a wildfire increases. That concludes my project description and the related themes that go along with it. I do encourage you to check out my project portfolio that I included in the submission. It includes all the work that I had put into this project. It includes research, sketches, notes, images, and more. I also encourage you to see the other YouTube videos I had uploaded relating to the project. Overall, I had such a fun time doing this project. I learned so much about offshore wind turbines, and I built upon some of my engineering skills and learned some new skills in Illustrator and Premiere Pro. But other than that, thank you guys so much for your time. I hope to hear from you soon, and I will demonstrate the wind turbine now.